Another approach to write the same code is that instead of calculating it for year by year, we can write a simple code as savings after 7 years, and it will be equals to 100 multiplied by 1.1 exponent 7, and that's it. And after this we can print the same savings after 7 years. This is a good feature that it most of the things that are used in the code previously appear automatically. So just double click on it and it will execute, it will appear. So this is the saving that we have after 7 years. How to make this more interactive and understandable for someone who is reading your code? Because being a programmer, you know, okay, what does this 110 means, but you don't know what it is 194. So for anyone who is reading your code, you need to make it more understandable, right? So how we can make it? We can make a nested message here. For example, total savings after 7 years, and put a comma here so it will take the value from this variable, and now run it. See, so total savings after 7 years are see. So this is how you can manipulate with whatever is here in between these two inverted commas. It will appear as it is in after the execution of this print function, and after this comma, whatever is stored in this variable, it will appear. So it is like this: total savings after 7 years are 194.